Hi guys! Mabuhay! I'm May Magnay Williams. Welcome to my channel, Food with May. As the weather in London is getting colder and wetter, I thought to show you a dish that is comforting and will definitely warm your bellies. I'm going to show you how to make Tinulang Tulya. This dish is basically a variation to a classic dish, Tinulang manok, and you probably have seen this on my blog and on my Instagram. It's basically a ginger soup, so you can have it with chicken or you can have it with seafood. Typically we don't have it with pork, but you know, you can also try that too. But I'm going to show you how to make clam soup with ginger. So if that sounds good to you, let's get cooking. Alright guys, the first thing we need to do is heat some oil, fry our aromatics, add some ginger, then add some onions. Now cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes to let the flavors go out. Then add your garlic, just like this. Cook it for about a minute, then add some water. You can add more if you like, but 1.5 should be fine. Bring it to a boil, just like this. Now add some salt and 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Give it a good mix. Now taste the soup, add more salt if you want to, or more fish sauce. Then add the clams into the pot. Now even this out into the pot and then add the lid on. Now simmer this for about 8 to 10 minutes until they are all open. Take the lid off. Be careful, it's going to be really hot and steamy. Check if all of the clams are open, and then what you need to do is add your Asian cabbage or any vegetables of your choice really, and then put the lid back on. Simmer that for about 5 minutes. It doesn't take long for cabbage to cook really. Now it's ready to serve. Ooh wee! Look at that! That looks amazing. It's getting hot in here. Look at the steam. Boy, delicious indeed. Alright guys, it's the best bit of the video. My favorite bit is the tasting. I've got my Tinulang Tulya here, swimming in soup, clams swimming in the sea, now swimming in my bowl with lots of soup. I'm going to try the soup first. So nice. You can taste the ginger in there, and that's what I really like. Some people might not like the amount of ginger I have put in this soup, but for me, I love it. I love, love, love ginger in the soup. Like, I could literally eat a whole pot of this because the meat are actually pretty small anyway. Well, these clams are quite small. So you can add any vegetables you want in it. And so nice guys. It's so comforting. And you have a whole soup. Ah, yes. Yes! Guys, if you like this Tinulang Tulya or ginger and clam soup, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my channel for more Filipino food recipes. So guys, go give it a go, try it yourself, and taste the Philippines from your home. Paalam! Bye!